Hey friends and family, YouTube. 5/29/2017, 12:03 p.m.
A.M.
Yeah, a.m. Well, lost the color. Looking at a tiger lily and a Mountain Dew. That's a big bubba. It's mostly ice. One of Amy's tiger lilies. But I wanted you to see the stamina on this. And the pistils I never really pay attention to. Ever. They're like balanced like a perfect beam. Okay. Now I can't see, but you can see. Can you see? Amy, come here and point. Touch one of them. They're just perfectly balanced on there. I can barely see it because of the sun. But it's a tiger lily?
Yeah.
Beautiful flower. Yep.
It's not a wild one.
It's what?
It's not a wild one.
It's not wild. She's got wild ones too. She's working on her new backyard. And some of my favorite flowers there. But those are the babies. Those are snapdragons. You need to deadhead these snapdragons. And I'll show you how. I'm going to work on my yard. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all.